Hey everyone, and I am Michael Gilmore. Today is one of the most remarkable days in my life. I had to fight 14 rejections. 14 rejections. I never thought when I filed this multi-million dollar lawsuit that I would have to fight the state. I would have to fight the court, Superior Court. But today is a good day. I won after 14 rejections over a 3-page form. 3-page form has harmed me from collecting the millions that I plan to seek against the defendant for the 14 causes of actions that they done against me. And so this is just round one. It's only 2 rounds. Round one was the most important because Garden Crest hired one of the largest and most prestigious firms in Beverly Hills against me in court. And so I was able to get their asses on round one. So round 2, baby, is for the jury. I got to convince the judge and the court why I should go before a jury for damages. Because this is not over. Because after the Superior Court, I'm going to federal court. Federal court is the most important because I'm bringing them up on civil rights violations under the California Discrimination Act. And then after that, I'm going to federal court. And they're going to have to cough up the money one way or another because you took everything away from me. You took my boss away from me. You harmed my business. You took 50% of my income every month. You slandered and defamed me and all kind of actions. And so you think I'm finna allow you to get away with? And this is not over with. I'm coming after adult protection. I'm coming after the state. It is not over with. I had to dismiss my lawsuit against the state because I didn't file the government claim. In order to sue the government, you have to file first a claim against them. And so I have to do that, go through the codes and everything. So I didn't want to get dismissed over demur or motion to dismiss because I didn't follow the procedure. So I had to get that. So now that I got Garden Crest, the next step is for damages. And I'm ready. Paul, hang on. I'm coming. It took a long time, but you're going to be out of there. You're going to be taken care of for the rest of your life. This is not over. The fight is just beginning. But I won, finally won, against the Superior Court for default only. Default only does not mean I get any money. It means that the defendant has been in default, and therefore I am entitled to damages. Now, whether I get the damages or not, it doesn't matter because I want to go before a jury to present my case. And once I go before a jury, it's on. Thank you, Lord. Y'all don't know how I fought for this. 3-page. September 11th, the day is what? The 16th. And I finally got this. Y'all just don't know. I finally won. This is a major. After 14 rejections from the court. And I finally got it, baby. I finally got it. Where to say? See at the bottom. Let me see. Could you see? Let me see where it's at. This is history made. Default entered. Oh my God, y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know, man, what I've been going through with management, with ownership of the building, with Paul gone, everybody coming after me. They're trying to destroy everything I done built. I done saved the company. I've brought in more money. We fresh on revenue now. So I didn't need Paul's Social Security because Paul's Social Security was paying his bills. That's what they don't understand. It wasn't paying me. It was paying his bills. And now he done lost a lot. 4 months, 5 months behind on credit cards. All his expensive tech furniture and all of that he had in storage as a lien on it. And that stuff have probably been sold. But hang in there, Paul. I'm coming. I'm fighting. The state can nobody take away what you legally left me in your sane mind heart and soul, and everybody trying to take it away. But now, baby, you got a fighter here. Y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know. I'm ready for him. I'm ready for him. I want to go before a jury, and everybody know I know how to perform in front of a jury, baby. And you better bring it on, because you better be ready. So the next step, we got a conference, October the 5th, a hearing about default, the evidence. I got to present all that stuff. And so the defendant, but since they didn't answer the complaint, I'm going to have to file motions to get them to compel to get key documents such as the fraudulent Social Security application. Their attorney said that Paul is mentally incapacitated now. So he's with dementia. Paul has never been mentally incapacitated. I want to see the doctor records. Since you moved me out the picture, moved me out the way, where are the medical records? They're saying he's mentally incapacitated now. Oh, no. I ain't no telling what they done did to Paul once they got me out the picture. And all of y'all that brought all these false allegations of abuse, financial and physical, you lying. And I'm coming after you too, baby, because you're gonna have to produce evidence. You think you can hide behind adult protection and everybody, the state of California and all that? Now, baby, you're gonna have to do due process, because you slandered and defamed me. And you're going to have to cough up the money. You're going to have to cough up the money. And so you can say I'm hustling. You damn right I'm hustling, because I have been forever harmed. All my ideas right here to build affordable housing for the homeless and seniors and veterans. Now I can't even do business with the state because of slander and defamation, and I'm calling the police and all of this to have me escorted out the building. The only black in the damn building. They don't even have blacks working for them. But anyway, so I won part one. I'm working on, I'm celebrating 4 years, y'all. 2 more weeks, it'll be 4 years official I've been at the company. I have celebrated 4 years living in Los Angeles. That was official. I just haven't been I ain't been on social media in months, because this case has been draining me. I done lost weight. I done lost about 30 pounds, y'all. I'm real skinny now because I ain't had time to eat. I've been worrying about Paul, because I'm all he have. He have family and nephews, but they're nowhere in the pictures. And all these people making all these allegations. Not one time have they all been to court to get custody of Paul. So, but anyway, it's been a long journey, but thank God I won. Now, the major round is the money, because you're not going to even waste my time, baby. Take me in front of a jury, because you need to be punished for your actions. So I don't care what law firm you hire. You got to fight Mike Kilmore, baby, and I'm ready. All right, bye-bye. Y'all take care.